Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking about what men really want from a woman. Are you new to my channel? Please subscribe and click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. Without further ado, let's find out what men really want from a woman. You see the way men are aggressive towards sex, you may think that what they really need from a woman, the most important thing to them is sex. It's not. Of course, if he hasn't married you yet, if he has no intentions of marrying you, he will want nothing from you but your body. That is why it's very important to wait before you give in your body anyhow. But if he really intends to marry you, or if he has finished to marry you, sex is not really his first need from you. Maybe let me state it better so that you understand it even better. What a man needs most from a woman is not sex. Yes, many ladies and young girls think that because they are sexually active, because they know all the styles, they watch pornography, they watch videos, they think that because they are like porn stars, men will love them so much for that and they will win marriage. No, and some women think that when they finally get married to the man, or when they are now in a serious relationship and they want to marry them, the greatest asset they are going to put to the table to offer this man is sex. No. And others naively think that just because they give into sex with this man, just because they give him the best sex, he's going to choose you above the rest. No. So then, what do these men need? These men need submission, aka respect. Listen, ladies, no matter how much money you have, no matter how much you think you are up there, or you are more rich than the man, or you are very highly educated with PhDs and what have you, however emancipated you are, men need submission, also known as respect. Once you nail that, you have nailed him completely. No matter the circumstances, no matter what, just submit to this man. Just respect this man. Actually, many of them don't even know that they are asking you to submit. They just say, you don't respect me. You don't respect me. She doesn't respect me. They mean you're not submissive to them. That's all. Listen, a man's true love goes out to only that woman who is submissive to him. Only. By nature, men have ego. They want to be the king. That's it. Submit to him. Make him feel that you are the king. You are the head. You are the warrior. You are stronger. You are my king. You are my shield. With you I'm safe. Just be humble. Just have humility and thank me later. Listen, this is the final, most important thing you should learn. Humility. Humility is going to make any man choose you above the rest. Any man. Sadly, many young women today, young and middle-aged women and old women, think that humility and submission is control. It is not. it is mainly submission. It's basically submission. Even the Bible says it. A wife will submit to her husband. A woman will submit to her man. If you can't submit, don't think of marriage. Because even if otherwise will take you into that marriage, lack of submission will take you out of it. I'm telling you. So, I wish you all the best as you submit to your men and as you build your marriage and relationships. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. I wish you the best of luck and I'm waiting for testimonies. Do not forget to come for counseling. Book with noraarake.com/booking. To purchase any of our products, go to noraarake.com/shop. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I love you. See you in the next video. Ciao.